I am so excited to share with you guys the Spellbinders Weekender event. This is the second year that Spellbinders has done a virtual event. They did the first one last year. That box was like, it had that desert vibe, and I actually really love that kit a lot. And so I don't know if hopefully I posted it, but I did a haul video of the the kit and caboodle for the previous month. And if you were a kit subscriber, you got first crack at buying the kit. They sold out. It was very reasonable. I think it was $149. And if you belonged to one of their club kits, you got 10% off. So it was really, really, really an amazing deal. And the thing is that they had these kits all ready to go. They were already ready, and then they had a very short window of, like, they opened up selling them at the end of April, and they were shipped right away. So they were already ready to go, and I don't even know what day this class is. Sometime. But the Mediterranean is the theme, which is super exciting because I'm going on a huge cruise. I'm going to be in the Mediterranean. I'm going to be in Greece. So this is perfect. It's well themed for exactly what I'm going to be doing. So, and I'm doing a cruise. So you'll see what I mean when we get into this kit. Now, they did an unboxing, you know, and I like to do my own unboxing videos because, you know, you get the perspective of the person who is going to be doing the class, who paid cash money or credit card money. I'm trying to open it. I didn't realize that there's like a tape here. Okay, we're going to go into it. This is what it looks like when you open it. Hopefully it'll tell me what day it's going to be because I don't even know. You get a beautiful book. I do enjoy when they do a book like this and you know like what's going to happen. So here's a little sneak peek at the project we're going to make. And so get into it. So there's that. And then we got a whole thing of the color wheel cardstock. Now, when I did the kit and the caboodle, one of the gifts was a skinny strip of the color wheel cardstock, which I actually really like a lot because they're really nice size to have for cutting small bits of Spellbinder dies. But we get 38.5 by 5.5 sheets, and there's a whole bunch of colors in here. So we get one sheet of some colors and 2 sheets of some other colors. They're all in here, and so they're going to be all used and cut up. Okay, so some other fun things that I thought was really cool that they added were these very Mediterranean colors. These are the Hero Hues Reactive inks. I've never used these before. And so Spellbinders now owns Hero Arts, or they've combined their companies. So, but yeah, we get 4 inks. We also get the metallic spray. So these come pretty empty, and you just add, I believe you add some water. Add water, shake well, powder is mixed, and then you've got a spray that you can use. So just need to add water to that. And then there are some really, really fun, interesting things in here. So in here we have vellum. So these are pretty cool vellum pieces. There's 3 sheets, 3 different designs of vellum, and we'll have, it's very kind of thin. I'm not going to open it up. Paper in there. The other thing that we got in here, which I think is really interesting, is the Spellbinder rub-ons. These are called the Ciao Bella rub-ons, which I don't know if they sell these already, if this is going to be a new product, but it has a very Mediterranean flair. We get a collectible pin, and let's see, get into it here. So we have the 3D embossing folder. This is called Lemon Fresco. I don't know if you can see the lemons on there. I'm very excited about this. So there's that. And then here we have this Beyond the Door. And so that's what it looks like there. But you can see that, you know, I don't know if it's going to be interactive at all. Looks like it could be. But you could decorate the door with oranges and lemons and so on. So can't wait to use that. a ton of pieces. I do like to put my dies onto onto magnet sheets, so I probably will be doing that. This is called Under the Sun. So here it is right here. So you could do the sun with the face and without the face. And then this one I'm very excited about. This is Deckside Dreams. I am going to be on a cruise of Mediterranean, so I can make this boat. So very cool. And we've got a lemon called Citrus Spritz. We have the La Dolce Vita banners and Ciao Spaghetti. And then we have the stamp set as well as the dies called Escape the Ordinary. And then we have the stencil. And then I guess this is a new product for them. So, you know, it's kind of the thing right now to have these cards with different color combinations. I just happen to have, there's that color cube, right? And then even like Tailored Expressions does one. And then I just happen to have these at my desk. So with these, you know, we got these, I think they all kind of go with the colors that we're using. But then you can pull cardstock and you can put the colors here, you can label them, and then you've got your own inspiration cards. But you also could just use the cards themselves as inspiration. So it's kind of like a new product for them. And then last but not least, we got some gems. So I think this is amazing. So it's $149. It came right away, and I think it's an amazing value. And you know, not to also say that we're getting classes, right, with famous, amazing people in the industry. And so showing us how to use all these new products. And so I did the one last year. I know a lot of people who did do it or who missed it were really interested in doing this again. So I highly recommend that you join the Spellbinders Facebook group. They have a Spellbinders Facebook group, and in there, you know, they promote, of course, their clubs, which are, I mean, they're beautiful. The clubs are amazing. I just can't afford to do them all the time. But they have their clubs, and so they, you know, they promote that and then new releases, but they also do the events that they do, which is right now, it's just this Weekender event. And it seems to be an event that goes on sale in April for May. So it's just perfect. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.